Spaghetti and spinach with sun-dried tomato cream sauce. Add your spaghetti to a large saucepan of boiling water. Meanwhile, add oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your thinly sliced onions. Then sun-dried tomatoes. Cook and stir until softened. Add your spices. Next, a cup of broth. After 2 minutes, stir in your cream cheese. And sour cream. Butter is always better. Stir that bad boy up. Blend in a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and that's right. Stir, stir, stir. Next, drain the pasta and water over the spinach to slowly wilt the spinach. This prevents overcooking. Now, let's add the spaghetti and spinach. Toss and coat the pasta evenly to ensure every spaghetto has some love on it. Time to serve this up. Enjoy with some warm, crusty bread and a crisp Sauvignon Blanc.